Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily connect Stripe to Google AI Studio. Let's begin. First, open up Chrome, go to your account and go to Google AI Studio. On the left panel, click on Build, go to Applications, select your application. And from here, I have already built and configured everything. So the last step would be to add Stripe. So I add this command connect Stripe and it took like less than 5 minutes for this to complete. Then this option showed up. You just need to provide the Stripe secret key and publishable key. So you can get this from your account, put all of the secret values over here. You can choose the option to show or make it hidden for both. And once done, click on apply. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. This is a very convenient way to create payment links and subscriptions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.